Fucking hell.
Fucking hell.
This car's getting worse by the minute.
Clean that, mate.
Fucking clean.
Oh. You like what?
Fucking hell, I'm tired. I'm tired enough for it.
Time to get home.
1 o'clock.
Mate, it's 9 o'clock.
Yeah?
I had 8 hours sleep, what?
Fucking hell, you think I went over and just went straight to sleep?
Whoa, what was
Fucking
that?
hell, no.
I suppose we best go get you a coffee now, should we?
Well, we'll get one on the way, yeah. Somewhere.
You don't want one at the Starbucks then?
Is it even open now?
Fucking hell, mate. Just because you work till 1 o'clock in the morning and want to lie in doesn't mean the Starbucks staff do.
You never know.
Starbucks are open, lad. Get one now, shall we?
Gee, lad.
We've only got an hour and a half journey. Get a sausage back as well.
Where from?
Starbucks.
They do start. Oh, do they?
Fucking hell, mate. You were banging on about you want a Starbucks. It sounds like you've never had one before because they're too expensive, so you want me to pay for it.
Nah, fuck I don't eat from there, don't me. It's usually fucking. It's like Costa, isn't it? Costa do like bacon baps and that.
It'll cost me like fucking 20 quid, like. It's nice.
Fucking
The
hell.
sausage back from there is actually decent.
From Costa?
Nah, from Starbucks.
Is it, yeah?
Costa's alright and all. Starbucks is better. Proper like sausages and a bit better.
I also have butcher places, mate. They're bagging them.
Yeah, mate, I don't have time to leave site when I'm working, kid.
Fucking
When I pick up the squeegee, I don't drop it.
Oh, fucking hell. Well, I was sleeping. Yeah.
Mate, have you ever been to NEC before?
Yeah.
I've never been, lad. It's 18 quid to park.
Is it?
Yeah, and it's a 15-minute walk.
I thought you parked right outside there.
Yeah, mate, all the 5-minute things allocated is sold out, that. And like, if I book it online, it's 18 quid, so I'm just going to drive there and see what happens.
I've been there before. There's like food places like that as well.
Never been there, mate.
It's just like a big hall.
Park it close to the bush. There you go, kid.
Oh, nice one.
Let's go get a coffee, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh. There we go, lads. Some coffee's acquired. Oh, lad. Nah, don't be putting that in there. I'm going to stick that in the bin.
But yeah, I'm gonna chuck down there.
Hell, yeah. Mine's the back holder. It's always the back holder for me.
You
Don't want people swigging my coffees and that. So we got some coffees and we, kid.
We have indeed.
We got 2 sausage bats.
Yeah, what's this bag?
Nah, kid, I'm going to go stick it in the bin, lad, because that is vile. That's off milk, mate.
That's disgusting.
Yeah,
behaviour.
mate, you're disgusting. You
That's
swimming shit.
disgusting behaviour. Jesus.
Back, lad. There's no off milk in the present now, kid.
Oh, fuck for that.
Good job we filled up like yesterday, innit? Otherwise we were going well behind schedule. Well behind, lad. Look after my cameraman, Mark, get him Starbucks and that. Cheeky Starbucks. You got some red sauce for me there, no? You robbed it all.
Nah, I put it there.
See ya. You should have said you put it there, lad. It's fucking there. You didn't even know what it is, lad.
No.
You're a fucking liar.
I do put it somewhere though.
Just found out you're a liar. I've put it there, lad. It's not even there, mate. Dafty. There's the fucking ripper dipper in this, like. What's going on here, lad? What the fuck, lad? I've got like no ripper.
Other end.
Where? There's no ripper dipper, lad.
That's what it was on mine. Other side.
Oh, it's there. Is it? Fucking hell, that's gonna go all. Oh. She popped.
It's been a sad day for that one, wasn't it?
To be honest, I don't even care anymore. Life's too short, though. Life's too short and the content's too good. So, Jordan, where are we going, mate? Tell the viewers where we're going.
NEC Birmingham.
What we're going there for?
Gravity.
You ever been before?
No.
Same lot. So guys, as Jordan has said, well, I probably shouldn't talk with a mouthful, should I, to be honest?
Fucking hell, I can't.
So guys, as Jordan just said, we're off to the NEC in Birmingham and we're going to Gravity Car Show. This is a bit of a last minute one, to be fair, because I was meant to be working today, but I found out the guy's car that I'm wrapping is actually in work. So I'm going to wrap it tomorrow instead. So we've managed to squeeze a bit more content out of this weekend. So we're going to finish Stephen's car wrap tomorrow and we're going to go Gravity to get some more content for you guys. So stay tuned and we'll continue the journey there after we've ate our cheeky Starbucks and that. What do you rate your Starbucks breakfast like, considering it's your first one?
Solid 8.
Well, then tell the viewers, like, you like this? Solid 8, that, like?
It is a solid 8, like.
Solid 8. What about your coffee?
I haven't tried it yet.
Well, tell the viewers what coffee you've got, like.
Hazelnut.
Cheeky hazelnut and that.
Hazelnut in there.
A little squirt of the hazelnut and that. Go on and give that a swig, like, give the viewers a rating.
It's got to be boiling in it.
Ow! Where's that cap come from?
Solid.
What's that? Solid hot.
Solid fucking hot, yeah. No, like an 8.
An 8.
From what I could taste of it after my mouth burning.
So guys, on today's content, so far the food is a solid 8. He doesn't seem very happy, does he? It's not going to be us 40 years from now. Like,
I fucking hope not.
Going to Gravity.
I fucking hope
Oh
not.
yeah!
Gravity in the 7-man deep fucking car.
That car looks like it's been extended. Anyway, enough of us yapping on. We'll continue the journey and see you at Gravity. Not Gravity.
Gravity.
Anyway, enough of us yapping. We'll continue the journey and see you guys at Gravity. Let's go, baby. Oh, and by the way, I think we got like a 15-minute walk, so I'm not looking forward to that. Yeah, I'm fun there, mate. Don't fucking cut yourself for that, mate. Jordan playing with knives and that. Trying to get into a little USB and that.
Fucking hell.
Playing the USB is a memory card.
Yeah.
Full memory card session.
There we go.
So you guys at home, you don't see the struggles we have to do to make these contents.
It's going in the back.
Right.
Go out, get yourself some veneers.
My name's Levi and I've gone for some veneers. And I'm still not confident to speak to camera, so instead I smile at it.
Wouldn't be able to speak if you fucking have like a fucking lisp.
Not dog national. Alright, Kaiser!
Make sure you get your 4.5k worthy. Just make sure your teeth get in there.
Every photo, like, get
Yeah.
the teeth in. I hate it when I smile, I look like I'm swat.
Mate, I look like a twat because I face planted a fucking ramp.
We should have come here earlier, but obviously because you were on a late one.
Oh, you can't be blaming me.
I'm not bothered, to be honest, mate. I thought it'd be nice to do a little late vlog in traffic. So guys, day 6 on the M6.
Yeah. Still going.
Should have got a camper van, lah. Be camping on the M6.
I'd have been asleep.
Think of the queue, mate.
Oh mate, it's heavy this is.
Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Hey, hey.
It's heavy.
What you just said.
What,
What was the question first?
what council estate meal would you have? Like you have to eat it over and over again. What would it be?
And what's your answer?
Ham, egg and chips with a bit of salad.
Do you get mayonnaise as well on the council
Salad
meal?
cream. Salad cream, mate.
Salad cream.
That's
That's expensive, that though.
Nah, I don't, mate. What do you mean? I'll pull up a price now for you. Tell you exactly how much it is.
Meant to be a car show. We're talking about council estate.
Yeah.
Scram. Jordan from the Bronx and that.
I am from the Bronx, mate. £2, or you can get Heinz, which is £2.50 on offer.
So you get the Heinz and
Get the Heinz, mate,
that
50p.
meal, yeah? That 50p?
Yeah.
You get that.
You
You
get
only
that.
get ham, egg and chips.
That's like a weekly allowance, that.
So guys, at Gravity today, we've got to find ham, egg and chips for Jordan because that's all he's allowed to eat.
Yeah. I'm on a budget.
Paid the extra 50p for the Heinz. Like a herd of sheep, lad.
I know,
This is the busiest queue I've ever been in to get into a car show. I don't think we'll ever be in a busier queue.
well, last week we were VIPs.
VIPs last week, peasants this week.
Yeah. Get it on. Don't fucking have it.
Get it on now, mate.
Yeah.
Well done, lad. So Jordan, what we found out here, mate?
Best car here at the moment's an E30.
No, that's not what we found out.
Oh, it's fucking busy.
We found out it's mentally busy. Oh, we found Molly's car straight away. Let's go check out this shit round.
Yeah, whoever did it, awful.
First car we see. Well, we can't see it because it's too busy. It's going to be so hard to film content in here for you guys, but we will try our best to get the content. It's going to be a hard day's graph, this, mate.
Whoever wrapped this, give the poor girl a refund.
Where you wanna go? I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar. Like I don't really mind all the hookers doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you're saying I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. When you're next to me. When you're next to me.
Where's your grills, Bert? Lost.
Yours looks better than mine. Oh, actually, no, mine looks better. Yours is burnt, mate.
Freezing, mate.
Well, rate your pizza. First slice, first slice.
A 2.
Why is it a 2?
It's fucking cold, so I waited for yours.
That cold, mate?
Yeah.
Don't worry, guys, mine's nice and warm. So I'm going to tuck into mine because, well, I can't film and eat at the same time. So, see you in a bit. I rate this pizza a solid 8. Jordan rates his cold. Stay tuned for the next episode of I Eat My Pizza. Beep beep.
Where the babe wipes?
What you done, lad?
Fucking gone down me now, isn't
A little bit of pepperoni on your feet and that.
Fuming. As we put into it.
How many hours are we putting into it, lad?
Oh, I don't know what time is it. 2:30. I've been up since 9. No, 8:30. How many hours is that? 6 hours already. We still got 4.5. Then 2 hour home. I hope I get paid for this, mate.
And then I've got a bloody video edited it all. So I've got another 8 hours on top of it.
Yeah, but it's the,
And then Jordan's got to watch it. Jordan's got to watch himself on
so I mean,
YouTube.
it's the participating that counts, mate.
Aye. In it to win it, lads.
wanna be just like you.
Double content. Hey.
I'll get the thumbnail for you, boy.
Little TikTok. Can we spot the feather, the purple feather, the purple menace, the purple fez bomb? Spotted it yet, mate?
Yeah, right there.
We're walking the wrong way then. Found the feather. Big up the feather, baby. That's tall we are, Jordan.
What?
We're dead tall. The purple feather, the purple
I feel like
feather,
I'm
we
gonna
found the feather bomb bomb. What?
I was about to drive, man.
Was you, yeah? You wish, lad. I'm back, Fezzer.
Oh,
You've had your holiday now.
Jesus Christ.
Love you, Fezzer. Let's go. Get me home, Fezzer. So what did you think of the show, Jord?
All my legs are aching.
What did you think of the show, mate?
It's good.
Like that show, did you? Whoa. Sun's on me, la. I look bald. Sun's on. Right, I suppose it's best put Bert up there now. Guys, we're the camera now.
I've mastered it though.
Day 2 on the cameraman.
Stephen, I'm coming for your job.
Oh, Stephen is calling you out, mate. Big Jordan wants to come for your job as a cameraman. Oh, that's it. I've got 2 cameramen.
Yeah.
Anyway, enough about cameramen. Stephen, you're still employed, don't worry. So, what did you think of Gravity?
Sound good.
Bit more enthusiasm, mate, come on. The viewers at home were like switching off at this point. It was good, so.
Nah, it was good.
So guys, this is going to be the end of the video. But first of all, we're going to ask potentially cameraman Jordan, because he's not cameraman yet, he really knows how to turn it on. And then he films like this, like wish, 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 wish. But potential cameraman Jordan, maybe a rapper one day, who knows. So, what did you think of Gravity, mate?
That was good. Definitely good. Best car show of the year.
Bit more enthusiasm, do you want to go again?
Oh yeah. Let me think what I'm gonna say.
Well, I'll go first. To be fair, I wasn't going to go because I thought I was going to be in work. Obviously, I couldn't go to work today. So, like I say, I bought the ticket last minute and I've never actually wanted to go to Gravity. But I'm actually really glad I went. Like, that is the best car show I've been to. There's, like, it's massive. Like, it is fucking huge.
And there's loads of aspects of it. It's not just like,
Yeah, obviously
you know,
you've got the drifting, but the problem is you can't fucking see it because it's that busy. You can't see the drifting.
yeah, but like certain shows is just like supercars in it, whereas
Oh,
that
yeah.
you had like, fucking hell, you had everything there.
Yeah, there was a lot there. So yeah, Gravity was a good show. I really did enjoy it. So next year, I'm definitely going to get a ticket for Gravity. You're going to get a ticket now?
Definitely.
You're going to be behind the camera light. You're going to be working, kid.
Gonna be on main stage, baby.
On main stage, baby. Jordan's not too happy because he got a pizza on his trainer, didn't you?
Yeah, and it was stone cold.
And it was stone cold. I ordered my pizza, then he ordered his, then he got his first, and then mine was fucking ages. To the fact that I was like, hey mate, where's my pepperoni pizza? I got a pizza, and then his was burnt, and then mine was warm and nice. How it worked out, eh? So I might have been waiting, but I did have a banging pizza, so I'm quite happy to be honest, mate. So, yeah. So that's enough of us waffling on. If you're enjoying the content, then please do give it a like. Consider giving us a subscribe as well. And if you're fucking mad about the content, then hit the bell icon. What do you want them to hit, Judd?
The bell. Hit the bell.
How'd you do that, huh?
Ding.
Ding! So yeah, see you on the next one, guys. Peace.